Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate links into Shorts Shelf with YouTube Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open YouTube Studio and log into your account. On the left sidebar, click on Content. Locate the video you want to associate with your affiliate link. Click on the video's title or the pencil icon to edit. Scroll down to the description box. Add your affiliate link in the description field. Make sure to shorten the link if necessary for a cleaner look. Now, scroll to the Advanced Settings tab. Under Audience, confirm if your content is made for kids or not. Return to the main editing page. Next, navigate to Thumbnails if you want to customize your short. If you're using a video with a specific thumbnail, select it. Once satisfied, click on Save at the top right corner. Now, go to the Shorts section in the YouTube app or on desktop. Here, you can find your uploaded video ready to be featured in the Shorts shelf. Make sure your video meets the Shorts criteria, which includes being under 60 seconds long. Promote your Shorts video through social media platforms if desired. Monitor the performance of your video's engagement through YouTube Analytics. You can refine your strategy based on audience feedback and performance metrics. By following these steps, you'll effectively transfer your affiliate links into the Shorts shelf using YouTube Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.